Today's episode of Ishq Jununi delivers another intense chapter filled with emotional conflict, family drama, and a growing rivalry that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. From the very beginning, it's clear that peace won't last for long. While one side hopes to protect family honor and maintain unity, the other is determined to create misunderstandings and gain the upper hand. This clash of motives sets the tone for the entire episode. The central conflict revolves around Guru and Gautam Singh. Their rivalry has now reached a point where every move feels like part of a larger battle. Neither of them is willing to step back, and every decision carries serious consequences for their families. A major turning point comes when an unexpected police investigation creates panic and confusion. Even though the situation appears to be under control later, the incident leaves everyone questioning whether it was really about justice or simply another attempt to pressure the Chaudhary family. Guru's response stands out as one of the strongest moments of the episode. Rather than allowing fear to control him, he focuses on protecting his family's reputation. His calm attitude under pressure shows how much his character has matured compared to earlier episodes. Ruhani also plays an important emotional role. Her concern for Guru highlights the trust and understanding that has developed between them. Their relationship feels stronger because they continue supporting one another during difficult moments. The mood changes dramatically when Gautam Singh arrives with Tejasvi. Their presence immediately creates tension, and what begins as casual conversation quickly turns into a battle of words. Tejasvi once again tries to provoke Ruhani through sarcastic remarks. Instead of direct accusations, she uses subtle comments designed to embarrass and insult. These scenes reveal that the conflict between the two women is becoming increasingly personal. Another family member adds fuel to the fire, making the atmosphere even more uncomfortable. Every remark seems intended to challenge Ruhani's dignity and create conflict inside the family. What makes this sequence interesting is Ruhani's self-control. Instead of reacting emotionally, she remains composed, allowing her silence to speak louder than any argument could. Guru, however, decides that enough is enough. Watching the insults continue pushes him to speak openly. His response isn't driven by anger alone, it reflects his principles. He reminds everyone that honesty, respect, and self respect are worth far more than expensive gifts or displays of wealth. This confrontation becomes the emotional high point of the episode. Guru's confidence surprises everyone, including Gautam Singh himself. The balance of power suddenly shifts, and for a brief moment, Gautam appears genuinely shaken. The episode also hints that this humiliation won't be forgotten. Gautam Singh is unlikely to accept defeat quietly. His expression suggests that he is already planning his next move, which could create even bigger problems in the coming episodes. Looking ahead, viewers can expect the rivalry to become more dangerous. Hidden plans, unexpected alliances, and emotional confrontations are likely to shape the next chapter of the story. Another question is whether Tejasvi will continue escalating the conflict or whether future events will force her to reconsider her actions. Likewise, Ruhani's patience may eventually reach its limit, leading to an entirely new dynamic between the characters. Overall, today's episode focuses less on action and more on emotional strength, family values, and the importance of standing up for what is right. It reminds viewers that true respect cannot be bought with wealth, it is earned through honesty and courage. The preview also hints that major twists are on the way. Secrets may be exposed, relationships could be tested, and the ongoing rivalry is far from over. Every new episode seems to raise the stakes even higher, making the story more engaging for long-time fans. What do you think will happen next? Will Guru continue staying one step ahead of Gautam Singh? Or will Gautam finally find a way to strike back? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Ishq Junooni updates.